All right, let's take a look at the Christmas lights for this holiday. If you're ready for your Christmas tree, these are LED lights. They're plastic and each one is embedded with an LED light. Beautiful designs, and if you guys can see them all around, I'm gonna pull back so you guys can see. Now on the bottom at the one end, I'm gonna show you guys this end. You could actually adapt another set of lights. So this comes with an extension. You can set it up. If you guys notice, I just dropped them. They're plastic. They won't break. So your dog, your cat, or anybody can chew on it. Nothing happens. So let's turn off the lights, see how beautiful they look. All right, let's take a look at how beautiful the lights look in the dark. These are different colors. They come in different colors. The LED lights are gonna last you for many years. Instead of rebuying them, you could just buy one pattern and then set up another one when you want. They have different colors, different patterns, but this is pretty much, you set them up on one connection and you could extend it and add more if you want. So if your tree is small or large, this is very convenient for it. I hope you guys enjoy the video.